welcome to another episode of Regional Italian Cuisine. Of course, my name is Caterina, and I always pinch myself because I have some great assignments, and at the moment I'm in the heart of Italy. I'm right here in Umbria. Now, Umbria, of course, they call this the Holy Land within Italy, because it's not just holy because it's the home to St. Francis, of course, but what's important here, the countryside is so spectacular. You can see behind me, of course, this is a land of rolling hills and mountains and streams. What we have here is an area that they call it the green part of Italy. I'm here in Bavagne, of course, and Bavagne is near the towns of Spoleto and Todi. It's got great history here. This is a Roman town, but there's a lot of medieval towns in this area as well. Of course, not only do we talk about truffles and the pig industry here, but we talk about oil and we talk about wines. So I'm lucky to be here at Colsanto. We're going to meet some of the characters behind this place, primarily Maurizio, who I met in Australia recently, and he invited me out to just come and talk a little bit about what they do here, but also just to share in the beautiful place that we call Umbria.
Caterina, after we met in Melbourne last time, I invited you to come in Colsanto.
You're
did. Here.
I am
Thank
finally
you.
here.
Thank you.
Just look where I am. This is God's paradise.
Yes, paradise. This is Bavagne.
Yes.
This is the Colsanto property, and we are where we are here. We are in Umbria region. Just behind us we have Assisi,
Yes.
Foligno. On the other side we have Noccia, the most famous, and the other side we have Todi, the most famous towns in Umbria. We are just in the middle.
Right.
And this is the area of Sagrantino di Montefalco.
All right, and of course, right behind us, what really is famous in the wine world, of course, is Montefalco, isn't it?
Montefalco is the village on top of the hill that gives the name to the appellation.
Right, of course. Now, tell me about your role within the company, because I know you travel the world. You've got the
Yes.
best job in the whole world.
Well, everybody says that.
Yes.
It's not exactly that. It's the best job if you're doing holidays, traveling. But
work,
traveling is a little tough.
Yes.
However, yes, I'm the export manager of the winery.
Yes.
And I travel the world trying to sell our wines
Yes.
worldwide.
And of course, here, of course, they're famous for, well, the grapes that are grown here in this region. But of course, Livon has got a greater and spread.
Yeah,
from the North
Livon
Italy.
family is based in Friuli. That's where the family is original from. And we celebrated 50 years anniversary in
Wow.
2014.
Yes.
And this property was acquired, this beautiful estate, in 2001.
Right. Although we are in summer, it's actually starting to rain, isn't it? What are we
Yes.
going to do now?
I think should go to see the winery. Would you like it?
I would love to.
Okay, let's go.
Allora, Maurizio, so this is the cellar,
This is the cellar. Finally, we got to the cellar.
which is where all the action happens. So tell me a little bit about, I guess, what you grow here at Colsanto, because we are in the heart of Umbrian country, yes?
Yes, well, we are in the heart of Sagrantino di Montefalco DOCG area.
Yeah.
Very famous for the Sagrantino, which is
Yes.
the main varietal. But also here we grow Sangiovese, which is traditional in the area because
Yes.
the Sagrantino was for the church. The Sangiovese were for the farmers. So traditionally here we do a pure 100% Sagrantino, and we
Yes.
do a blend with Sangiovese. That was for the farmers, the Sagrantino for the church.
So that's what they call the Rosso di...
Rosso di Montefalco.
Oh, I understand. How interesting. So it was it was designated DOCG area how long ago?
Not many years ago. It was about 40 years ago. 50
Really?
years ago.
All right. So it's quite is this a product that's easy to get?
No, it's very difficult to get because Sagrantino is a difficult wine. It's a
Yeah.
it's a big wine, big structure, big tannins. It's a great wine for aging.
It's great wine for aging.
Yes.
So, and so does it go well with the food that's in this area? Obviously, I was just sort of thinking about you've got lots of pork products and the tartufi and all those sort of things.
Yeah, absolutely. Here in Umbria, you got the right food for the Sagrantino.
Yes.
You got tartufi, you got the porchetta, famous
Yes.
porchetta.
Yes.
You got a lot of pastas, a lot of mushrooms here in the countryside. And Sagrantino goes very well with fat things.
Right, because it's got so
Tasty,
much power
yeah.
and depth. And in percentages, what's Sangiovese to Sagrantino planted here at the vineyard?
Let's say that Sangiovese is about 30% of the production, but we also have a Merlot here.
Right.
We have a Sagrantino, we have a little bit of Montepulciano.
All right. Well, of course, on that note, we're going to go upstairs, and who are we going to meet?
Well, you will get great food up there.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're going to meet Santa, and she's going to put together.
Santa is just great.
Yeah, she's going to put together some great dishes, of course, using the local wine. So
Yes, we will have Rosso di Montefalco, we will have Sagrantino as well.
bene.